Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a sunburst chart. A sunburst chart is a multi-level donut chart which can be used for viewing hierarchical data. So let's get straight to it. I have imported this visual, sunburst visual, from the app source. If you want to know how to import a visual from the app source, please go to the other video that I have uploaded. There you can clearly see how to import a visual from app source. So this visual is the sunburst which I have selected. I will expand this and I'll click inside first before selecting the fields. I'll come here, come to the fields panel, then I will select my sales value, and then I will select my I'll select my category, and along with that, now all you see is a normal donut chart. You see three categories, right? You see three categories and you see the sales from each of these categories when I move my cursor around. What's special is when I click on segments and then when I click on my region, it breaks up into three levels. I can have another level also. I can have my shipping mode as well. Depends how many levels you want. So you can also change this. So if I want my region to be my outermost level, that can happen as well. Innermost level, sorry. So if I want my categories, and then I want my segments. So the innermost region is the innermost circle layer is the regions. The layer in between is the category, the three categories: office, technology, office supplies, and furniture. And the outermost layer is the segments. So now what is special about this is that this has multiple levels. This is not possible in a pie chart or even in a donut chart. So this sunburst can also be called a multi-level donut chart. Thank you. I hope you learned something new.